In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your phone number in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Zoom account settings and how to add your number so it can be used for sign-in and account security. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zoom account on a web browser. This process is done in the Zoom web portal, not in the desktop app. Once you're in, look to the left side of the page and click My Account. This opens your personal dashboard, where all your core account details and preferences live. Next, choose Profile. The Profile page is where Zoom keeps your basic information, including your display name, profile picture, and contact details. We'll stay here to adjust the sign-in phone settings. Now scroll to the Sign-in section. This area controls how you access your account, such as using email and password, single sign-on, and your phone number. It's the right place to securely connect a number that can help you log in or recover access if needed. Find the option labeled Sign in Phone Number and click Add. This begins the process of attaching a phone number to your account. Adding a phone number is helpful for account recovery and can make sign-in smoother, especially if you turn on extra security features later. You'll see a field to enter your number. Select your country or region first so the correct country code appears. Then type your phone number carefully. Avoid extra spaces or special characters unless Zoom shows a specific format. Make sure it's a number you can access, ideally one that can receive text messages or calls, since Zoom may use it for security notifications. Double-check for typos before continuing. When you're done, save it. Look for a Save or similar button to confirm the change. After saving, Zoom may display a brief confirmation on the screen. In some cases, Zoom might ask you to complete a quick verification. If you see any prompts, just follow them on the page to finish linking your number. If you don't see the phone number option, your account type or organization settings may limit changes, or the feature may be managed by an administrator. In that case, check with your admin or try signing in directly at the Zoom website to ensure you're viewing the full account settings. That's it. You clicked My Account, opened your profile, went to the Sign-in section, selected Add for your sign-in phone number, entered your number, and saved. Your phone number is now connected to your Zoom account. Thanks for watching, and feel free to review your settings anytime to keep your account up to date.